Hello viewers, hope you are fine. So today in this video we will talk about how you can screen record your iPhone screen with or without your sound. So first of all, what you have to do is just simply swipe from top to down like this. You will see this icon and this menu here. So here you see a small plus is there, so simply tap on this one and you will find these options: wiggling, breathing mode. So what you have to do is just add a control, and here you will find couple of options. So right now here you can see that this is screen recording which I need, so I will just simply click on that one and it is simply added here. So simply I will go out. Now this option is selected for the recording. If you press start, it will directly start recording, but the thing is, the catch is this one: this recording, it is not starting with your microphone on. See, the microphone is off. Just simply press and hold this one and it will show you microphone off. Just simply tap on this one. Now the recording will be included with the voice. So right now if you can see this, the recording button is here. Now it is on. If you start recording, it will start with your voice. So I'm just recording this one. So once I have done the recording, simply I can pause this one. It will be automatically saved. This was the recording. So I'm just recording this one. So once I have done the recording, simply, so see, this one was with my voice also. You can see that voice is very clear. It was for today's video. Hope you like this video. Kindly thumbs up. See you in the next one. Peace.